Hey friends, if you encounter the error the object invoked has disconnected from its clients, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this has also been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum and a few users found help with it. If you encounter this error, try a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select next. Choose a good restore point. Select next and then select finish and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a cloud reset. How would you perform a cloud reset? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select recovery, then click on reset PC, then select remove everything and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.